ringing in your ears, then you want to use the eagle claw technique to get rid of those crickets, to pull out those crickets from your ear. So tinnitus, ringing is tinnitus. There's many causes to tinnitus. Will this technique solve all causes of tinnitus? No, it won't. But one of the reasons why you might have tinnitus is your ears get clogged from allergies. So using the eagle claw technique, you're going to drain and make sure the blood circulation to your ears are sufficient and adequate and great so that it doesn't get congested, get backed up, and cause the hearing, the ringing, the crickets, right? So eagle claw technique, you're going to first go around the ear. You're going to go and brush around the ear. There are nerves all around your ear that stimulate blood circulation to your ear. And it also stimulates the brain to turn down the crickets, right? So you want to go for a minute. You're going to rub using the eagle claw. You're going to rub all the way down, okay? Even down here, okay? And then you're going to also go to the front. You're going to front right here, right? And then when you get to the back of the ear, you're actually going to go down this tube called the eustachian tube or auditory canal. It allows the sinus, the ear, to drain. So you want to massage all the way down here. You want to do this. This is the whole process will probably take you at least 2 minutes. You want to do this at least twice a day. So you want to really get down in the jaw, in that eustachian tube, and into your neck. Okay? And that's going to help drain any type of congestion. Maybe your ears feel muffled, right? That's going to help drain that congestion down your ears. Do this every single day, especially during allergy season, and see if it helps the ringing in your ears. If your ringing is due to sinus congestion, the eagle claw will help. Make sure you click and follow me here on TikTok. Ear ringing, stop the DJ from playing. So we've had patients recently who've had ringing in their ears. Some describe it as crickets in their ears. Some describe it as like a DJ. A DJ just keeps on playing in their ear. Well, how do you get rid of it? How do you decrease that ringing? You gotta stop the DJ from playing the music, all right? So here's a way. This is based on my QRA acupressure. You want to massage all around the outline of your ear, all around outline of your ear. Massage all around it, but more importantly, right in front of it. You see this little notch right here? Right in front of it, you want to massage there on both sides, whatever ear is ringing. That's the most important point, okay? And so you want to massage all around the outline of your ear, and then listen. Listen to see if that relaxes the DJ. The reason why is the DJ is relaxed and it'll stop playing the music, all right? Follow me here on TikTok.